Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I am TheAdriass Gamer, and today I'm going to be doing a how-to video, and today, as you see the title, I am going to be showing you guys how to make some eggs. Not just some eggs, specifically scrambled eggs. If you kids do not know how to make scrambled eggs, watch this video, and you'll learn.
I don't want to set the world.
Alright guys, so what you gotta do is you got to turn on this.
I just want to start.
There we go. Get those flames on high. Yeah! I love flames. I even love the smell of flames. Let's get this away from here so it doesn't burn. We only got 2 eggs because the rest of them all cracked for some reason.
And that one is you. No other.
We'll set it to there. Alright, and we gotta wait for this to heat up. And oh, it's already heating up. Let's wait a little bit.
I just want to be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I'll have reached the goal I'm dreaming of. Believe me, I don't want to set the world on.
Alright guys, now we have to test out if it is hot enough. What we gotta do is we gotta put the butter. I'm not really sure if we use butter for why is this taped together? What the heck? Alright guys, so as I was saying, I'm not really sure if we even use butter for eggs. Why am I making a how-to video if I don't even know if I use butter for eggs? As I was saying, let's get right into the cooking. Alright guys, so I am going to test out the butter, but dang it, I can barely do this with one hand. Whatever. Every piece counts. Yeah, it's definitely hot enough. Just look at that little guy. He's like into little bits now. He's dead. Alright guys, so as my father told me, I think we do have to put butter in this, but a large amount. A very large amount of butter. And then we have to put the eggs in. Alright, yeah, it's
I'll have reached the goal I'm dreaming of. Believe me, I don't.
Alright guys, so I have the piece of butter. We're going to put it in. Oh, Christ! That's a good sign, right? Mom and Dad? Alright guys, so as my butter is steaming hot right now, I'm going to put the egg in. Oh! Oh! Oh, Christ! It's all spilling everywhere! Alright. As you saw, that beautiful egg is just dropped in there. All we need to do is mess with it a little bit. Oh Christ, there's fire! And then, what? As you can see, I think it is all going to plan. I'm sorry, guys. I failed you. I don't know how to make eggs. Look at this disaster. Alright. This is horrible. This is horrible.
I'm going to rape you!
It's time to eat. Alright guys, so I have my food here, you know, yeah, just look at that. It's beautiful. It is so adorable. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, of this how-to process of how to make scrambled eggs, smash that like button, subscribe, And like always, peace out!